We took a night to relax and imagine before tearing her apart. And if you're new here, this is our 1968 Dreamer Adventurer 1 we are restoring to her original glory as a time capsule. We started by pulling out the tables and all the benches, the cushions, the seats, and we set up our workspace, equipped with everything, even a pencil sharpener, and our son's workbench. Don't forget the kids.
All right, we've got it pretty much all ripped out and vacuumed out. Took out all of the cushions, took off everything off the wall. We wanted to get it out so we can pull back these skins and repair any rotted wood, add new insulation. And now we're about to start ripping out one wall at a time and repairing and then go to the next wall. So we're gonna start with these uppers because there's water damage in here after we already sealed the roof. So we gotta find that water damage and fix the leak and let it dry. So we're gonna go ahead and just take out that whole strip of uppers to start, and we're gonna keep it intact so that we can use it as stencils to make it again.
I know it doesn't look like it, but I promised I put in my day's work here.
Making progress.
Don't judge the corn dogs when you're restoring a vintage camper. That's what you can afford.
We're at Menards and we're going to be heading to Lowe's next to get the proper kind of insulation. We want R4 so we can be warm and cold, you know. Say hi.
Hi. I gotta plug it in.
All right, we're about to cut this is what we are using for the outside of the cabinetry, like the facing.
Guys, see the culprit here? This is great for winning an argument later.
Good, babe. That's good. Stop it. You're gonna make it. All right, we're phoning a friend.
I couldn't find one of my blades.
So that ended with a little bit of burn. There's what happened. A little bit of burn. the tear. It's really just really big to be doing all that with that blade.
Luckily, it's just for inside of the cabinet.
Yeah, it's okay. Safety first.
So a lot has been ripped out, and we've uncovered a lot of damage, lots of gross rot. Here you can actually see the ground. That's fun. But we're making progress. Full disclosure, this piece comes back off here very soon. And we end up wasting most of this sheet of insulation. I've been saving these mid-century handles for a while. They'll be perfect for this. I use Dixie Belle's Dixie Mud to fill these holes from the prior knobs so that I can have these fantastic handles. I cleaned these first with White Lightning by Dixie Belle, and I lightly sanded them with Rad Pads. We chose Mint Julep, which is a chalk mineral paint by Dixie Belle, to give us that complete retro vibe we're going for. I will use the Foam and Dandy 3-inch foam brush by Dixie Belle to apply the Mint Julep paint. I will first mist it with the fine mist spray bottle filled with just plain water to make sure that it goes on very smoothly. Be sure to label each one of your doors with stick notes so you don't forget which cabin doors go where, because in these old campers, a lot of times they are not all the same. Don't ask me how I know that. I mist my brush each time that I go in for more paint, just to keep it really wet, especially since I'm painting outdoors. These hinges were painted prior, so I'm going ahead and painting them again. I will cover them with gold gilding wax at the end so that they match the handles. I am using a heat gun to dry these quickly for the video, but you do not have to do this. I know it's hard to tell in my outdoor lighting, but this color is perfection. One coat, so you can still see my spots there where my hardware was. Don't worry, I'm going to go ahead and do 2 more coats of this before applying my clear coat. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so that you can see every single episode of our Camper Chronicles. I'm not sure what I keep saying to the camera here, but whatever.